Stop before you ask Shani Dev for another blessing. He wants to talk about the one you received. The problem is you call it rejection. Shani Dev says, if I would have given you what you wanted back then, you would have been thanking me today for saying no. So sit down and listen. You might be feeling lot of frustration. There is this goal, there is this desire in you that you cannot achieve no matter what you do. And that's the desire that led you towards this message today. And Shanidev don't have their favorites or the souls that they hate. No, that's not how Shanidev play. Shanidev rules the planet Saturn that causes delays because it is the slowest moving planet. And this message is going to reveal what you could do literally to remove all the delays and blockages from your life. What you could do to, come into the limelight that you always wanted. Like, your comeback is written in future, and this video is the proof. You just have to hear my words very carefully today. Because let me tell you, whatever the theme that is going on in your life, Shanidev has been a major part of it. You must be going through Sarasati, or you must have most influence in your birth chart of Saturn. And people make Shanidev into some kind of evil light where they are causing delays in their life, they are causing frustration in them, and everything that is happening in their life is just because of them. No, this is not true. He is the disciplinary father. He's a kind of father figure who, just show their children the way that lead to their better life. But it will take long, but it will take a manual path for them to follow, not any kind of shortcuts. And let me tell you, you guys who clicked on this video, there must have been challenges in your life where you felt like you're doing a lot of hard work. You are literally like in your sweat and bones, but nothing is coming out of it. You are not achieving the results. And this is not because you guys are doing something wrong, or not because Shanidev is punishing you. No. He is the one who, when it comes to, the evaluation of karma, because he is the dispenser of karma, we call him the Karamfal Data. He is the ultimate dispenser of karma. So when it comes to evaluation of karma, he is the one who blesses you with your desires 10 times of what you thought you're gonna receive. And at that time, you receive it with, gratitude, with humility in you. Because right now, you are not being able to get that without, boosting your ego, without creating more boundaries around you. That is why it is taking a much longer time to come towards you. But that doesn't make any excuses for you to, just make everything more complicated. And my guides are saying that Shanidev is the kind of deity who didn't even let go of his father when it comes to the evaluation of karma. His father was the sun god, and He didn't even let go of other higher deities when it comes to evaluation of karma. So he's the ally of all the innocent soul who have been wronged. If you feel like you have witnessed any injustice, congratulations. Your father figure is here. Saturn has a very, very negative image. The planet Saturn, the slowest moving planet. And let me tell you through this video, it is because of the Saturn that you are going to receive the blessings. So don't take it lightly. Let me pull out some cards because I think Shani Dev wants to really tell something to you today. That is why you are present. The soul that is listening it right now, this is your karam phal, the fruit of your karma, that you are hearing this message because something is going to be revealed in this message, something major. I told you, someone is really frustrated with the blockages, with the delays. Someone who is literally like crying about it, someone who is yearning the justice. This says help, number 12. The help you need is on its way. So keep watching for it. Don't be depressed. Don't be negative about it. Don't leave. My guides are saying don't leave the path in middle. Don't leave the battle in middle just because you think this is the end. No. This is just the beginning. Your comeback is literally on the verge. So don't rush out to leave in the middle. Nothing is happening. Oh my God, I can't do this anymore. No. The minute you just conclude that I can't do this anymore, I have to give up after 100 tries, is the minute Shani Dev steps in and be like, one more, push more. And Shanidev rules the planet 10th house, which is of Capricorn. This is the house, related to karma, your career, and your social status. So, this is how he rules your dedication towards your work, your discipline, and he also rules 11th house, which is the house of gains, which is the house of your global network, your blessings, your long term desires. And both of these houses are most important. So if you have some strong placement of Saturn or Shani Dev in those houses, that represent the karmic justice will be done. And another strong placement of Saturn, it could be 8th house. I know that Shanidev don't rule the 8th house, but it is also the strongest placement for Shanidev to rules and look after the other houses. Also, if you have Shanidev or Saturn in your 7th house, that is the biggest placement. This is how they will literally assess people who don't belong in your life. They will reveal their real faces to you. Like you might be contemplating a lot why I see people real faces. Literally, you know I literally am being able to see who they are without any kind of veil. So transparency in the way I see others, that is because Shanidev must be sitting in your 7th house. And let me tell you, there are many conspiracy about Saturn and everything, but the most intimidate thing that you could listen is that Saturn could give you the results, but after longer time than you contemplate it. And in your case, I am literally seeing is that someone wants to buy something. There is a desire in you. You want to buy something. It could be anything. And in the coming months or year, you would be able to buy it. There is a very strong desire in you. My guides are also saying this, that there is this ability of you that you get very discontented with what you have. You get very discouraged at the moment when you see the failure. Like, no matter what, the moment you see failure, everything is over for you. And that's the ability that you need to change right now, because Shani Dev is trying to teach you how to be grateful for the blessing that you already have before you receive the another one. Hold your head with dignity. Don't think that until I get this, I'm not being able to show my face to others, or until I achieve this, I will be this kind of person, and until then I can't, you know, see people in their eyes, or there is a shame in you, or something that is holding you back in some kind of way. Don't do that. Don't do that in any way, because Shani Dev is trying to teach you that you should hold your head high no matter what situation is. And I think in the coming days or months, his drashti, his gaze, which is very intense, which is very powerful, and has been mentioned in Puranas everywhere, that he has been recognized for his, deep seated, intense gaze. And that is the gaze that destroy everything, because it is very powerful. So wherever their gaze follow, it get totally destroyed. And I think that right now it is, it is being looking towards your enemies, and not just person in enemies. It could be your habit, it could be your schedule, it could be anything that is holding you back. Their gaze is holding towards that direction of all the things that are creating blockages in your life. And it could be literally uncomfortable for you to witness it, because you are also resisting those things, because you have been holding on to that habits and that patterns for very long. So it is very difficult for you to let go accordingly. But it could be uncomfortable, it could take some time, but you just have to let go, because his gaze, his drashti is over that habit of yours, is over that pattern of yours. 14:14 on the clock. Make sure that you are not wearing that much black on Saturday, and also that you are feeding crows or dogs on Saturday. um, I will pin down the mantra. I know that in the previous video you guys must have been like literally telling me to pin the mantras, but I totally forgot. But I have pinned it just before shooting this video. So right now I am telling you, I will pin the mantra of Shani Dev Maharaj. under this video. Make sure to check this out. And another thing is that listen to it, or you can visit to any of his temple and just chant it. Even if you can't visit his temple, it is impossible for you, you could literally chant it on Saturday. And start reciting Hanuman Chalisa. Start reciting it on Saturday especially. Take his name 3 times before you step outside of your house, um, on Saturday particularly. Guys, what I was saying, everything that has been happening in your life is orchestrated by divine, and Shani Dev has a major role in it, because we all have some deities that rules mostly of our birth chart. And if you have very Saturn influenced birth chart, that means that Shani Dev has been ruling some major aspects of your life from the very beginning, or it could be for some kind of period particularly. But during this period, what you can't do is that, I told you, even after 100 takes, you can't say that I won't take one more, because you don't know that that one more take will lead you towards your comeback. So never take any of your steps for granted, because even those small steps can lead you towards something major. That is what my guides are saying. Some of you could be wearing red color right now, or you have something which is close to color of red or crimson. um Something about bus, something about you meeting someone from your past out of nowhere. Most of the people in your life just come with some kind of lesson, and there is a need for you to literally calculate your risk with these people, if they are worth investing your time and energy. That is what my guides are saying to me. Also, I don't know why my guides are saying, but my guides are saying never trust people who don't meet your eyes while talking. Like if you are talking to them and they can't meet your eyes, like they are literally looking away, or their energy seems off in some kind of way, don't trust them. And there is this energy around you which is very heavy, so you need to literally loosen something in your shoulder. Maybe there is a tension in your shoulders or neck area. Loosen your muscle in that area because it is very tense. um, Leg pain, muscle pain, some of you could be experiencing. Sea water is what my guides are telling me. But all of these messages I am telling you, I will take one more card. It is relating to one thing, that whatever a big theme in your life that is making you cause more tension and frustration in your life, it is leading you towards something which is literally so bigger than you imagine. There is something that your intuition is trying to tell you. There is something that your intuition is literally speaking of, and you have been ignoring it from days. It has been trying to tell you something that you must be ignoring, but there's something related to that. that you need to hear, because my guides are saying act upon it, act upon it, and make sure that it is your intuition, not your messed up nervous system, because sometimes our nervous system could cause anxiety, and that is what we are hearing. So make sure that it is your intuition 100%. Also, there's some kind of habit that you are breaking these days. You guys are challenging yourself, and this is some kind of habit that you guys are breaking, and which will lead you towards more discipline, because of course Shani Dev is the disciplining father. And I think there is some kind of do you have something on your head right now while you are listening this? It could be anything, or there is something that you changed about your hair or something like that. Okay, so leave it on that. Also, what my guides are saying is that if you see crows, that is the biggest sign that your blessing is near, that the Shanidev is going to bless you very majorly. And if you see some of the random tasks that have been delayed or that have been messed up before started, you know, getting the speed towards their, you know, end point, that is a major sign for you, things starting to work out. And you could get Mahadev ji's blessing, like you could literally visit to Mahadev temple, or you could get Mahadev blessing. That could be a big sign for you. And with that, I will take leave. I hope you liked it, but this is not the end. If you reached to this part of the video, make sure that you are a part of the spiritual army that we are forming on the YouTube. Join us, and 22:22 on the clock. This is a major chance for you, because not only this will lead you towards the path that Shanidev is leading you, but also is going to reveal some secrets. So that's it. And also make sure that you are aware of impersonators. I don't have any channel or account on any kind of platform other than YouTube and this account. So if anyone has been asking you for money, or one-on-one contact, or asking you for personal readings from my name, that is not me. I will never ask you for that, and I don't offer any kind of personal readings or one-on-one contact. So beware of that. And yeah, take care, eat healthy, drink a lot of water, take care of yourself, give you my love to all of your pets if you own. And with that, I will take leave. Namaskar.